Guys, welcome. We're doing construction today, continuation of the house. We did the, I think that was, yeah, the previous video. We did the slab, and they started on the frame. I didn't have time to film because it was really busy, a lot of work. So they're basically halfway done. They did the first floor. I'm gonna show you guys now the progress of the house. This is what it looks like so far. So the first floor is up. They're doing the top floor now, stairs. There's gonna be 2 bedrooms there, office. Really big progress in, like, this is 2 weeks, probably less than that. So this is the rest of the materials. That's the side basically. This is how far they got here. Everything's good. Already finished up over here. That's the entrance for the office. I decided to make a door for the office here. That way the people can get in when they come do some paperwork, whatever. They don't have to go through the whole house. They can just go in here, do their business, come out. So there's gonna be a walkway here. I'm gonna cut this, make this to like a retaining wall. There's gonna be like a, I don't know, probably 6 or 8 feet between the wall and the house. So it's gonna be a nice space. Walk out of there and you go up the driveway. Let's go around real quick. That's where our sheds were. Right here. This is the back of the house right here. Little deck in the back. Soffits are going up right there. That's the back wall where that's a middle basically. Bedrooms are gonna be right there. We already poured the deck. It's gonna be a little chill area. We can add more later to this. I don't know what we're gonna do with that, but we'll add more maybe in the future. This is the side where the garage is. This is the solid wall. That's gonna be all basically tall seal. This open space in the inside. It's basically a living room right here. All this, no ceiling, no floor. So basically all the way up to the ceiling, it's gonna be open space. This fireplace goes right here. This is basically the living room. There's openings for windows. So the bottom floor, and then basically a wall, and then top floor or top windows. Right there, 1, 1, 1, 1. And the fireplace is right smack in the middle, all the way up. So if you're looking, standing by the fireplace right here, you're looking at the living room, the whole thing right here. It'll look good when it's finished. Stairs are going up there. It's the bathroom on the stairs. Master bedroom. Bath. Shower. Kitchen's here. Sink. And then this is the island. Where the island goes. Right in the middle. 9-foot ceilings. So exit to the patio. So we go from the back. Out the front door. So front door, windows. This is the front deck right here. And that's the office. This is the office right here. Window, and then that outside door I told you guys about. So it's easier to get in and out. Nobody has to go through the house and then to the office. And this is when you get outside. This is what you see right there. Right there. Oh yeah. A lot of progress has been made. Subfloor went out. They're already putting up. They're making the walls already for the top. It's all connected. So basically, once they put those up, they're not gonna connect. It's gonna be like this, like that, and then the middle flat. There's gonna be a couple windows there, and then storage over there. And there's 2 bedrooms in the back. A lot of things could be changed while the progress is going, because that's the thing about, you know, doing stuff before your frame is done. You can cut things out, add windows, add doors, whatever you want, sizes, doesn't matter. Because when it's done, it's gonna be really, really hard, because they have to change a lot of stuff, you know, in order to get to that window. Right now, we're in the progress of basically, you know, finishing up the second floor. Like the doors were smaller on the inside, we made them bigger or taller, so they just cut it out right now, changed the header. But I mean, you know, it took 10 minutes, 15 minutes, so it's a lot easier to do things while you make changes while you build, while you're still at that stage. But yeah, that's what it's gonna look like. I'll include a picture of my plan right here, somewhere in this video right here, hopefully in this one here. We'll add a picture of the plan here. Originally it was supposed to be on that side, but plans changed, a lot of things came different, you know, plans changed in life, stuff like that. We figured that we're gonna leave that spot for the shop, and the house will go here because it's a lot better to have a house tucked in away from the street. The farther the better. So yeah, really good shade, really nice area. Like right now it's about 4:30 in the afternoon, and the shade is already like over the whole house. Like it's really nice, really chill. And we cut out like 30 or 40 trees that were all over here, so we still can cut this one down because that one's most likely dead. We're gonna cut it down. We're gonna have to get a crane and have it cut down, and a couple in the back. So there's more we can cut down, like a lot more. But this property had a lot of trees, so that's the progress of the house, you guys. Mansion, Mr. Big Mansion. So yeah, we have a couple of projects that we're working on, quite a few actually, but there's not enough time to finish everything. We do sell cars as a dealer, and we end up selling a lot of stuff, you know, flipping cars, stuff like that. But a lot of projects that we work on, we end up keeping, like that Mitsubishi. It's finally at the shop. I'll show you guys later. That Prelude right there is waiting for paint. We're gonna be doing work on that next. Now we have ourselves a box truck that's been wrecked in the front, but we're gonna be probably using it to pick up parts, stuff like that. But there's a lot of damage over here. It drives smooth, runs good, clean. We cleaned it up, but really nice truck. Just needs some work. Need to figure out this door. It closes but not all the way. But other than that, you know, just a good parts getter. We got it for a good price, so might have to keep this guy. You know, they offer you a good price, you sell it, you make money, you move on to the next one. It's just how it is. So we also got ourselves a Porta John right there, so the guys can go to the bathroom properly, you know. So that's the update on the house, you guys. Oh yeah. So that's the update on the house, you guys. Really hot days still ahead of us. A lot of hot days are behind us. Crazy hot weather. Just, you know, you gotta push through. Nobody's gonna do it for you. So if you want something, go get it. Simple as that. The more you work, the more you have. Just simple math. You know, you can work smart and, you know, work smarter, not harder, obviously, but you also have to put in hard work. I know I said that. I always told everybody, like, hey, you know, you can do it this way and that way, but sometimes it's just like building a house, you know. You gotta work hard. You gotta hustle, you gotta figure things out, you gotta move, you gotta, like today, you know, I was doing something and they're like, yeah, we need, you know, 20 sheets of subfloor for the upstairs because we're out. I'm like, okay. I dropped everything, got a truck, went and picked it up at Lowe's, brought it to them. The guys ran out. You know, it's unpredictable, but you gotta work hard. You have to be available, have to supervise everything. You can do it yourself as a self-built personal contractor. You don't have to hire anyone. The only reason, the only time you have to hire someone if your property is on a LLC, here in Carolina at least. If it's on a LLC or on some business or whatever, you have to hire a contractor. But you can build. If you own a piece of land, it's on your name, you can build as a self. You just have to line everything up in order. You can have a house up in about three to 4 months. It'll be finished. So You just have to have reliable contract, people, subcontractors, and easy. But yeah, in any case, you got to push hard, no matter where you're at, what business you're in. Of course, without God, it's not possible. I know that. I realized it, and it took me a while. Stubborn. But it's all His. And I thank God for everything. Just wanna, you gotta have a good relationship with Him, and work hard on yourself, and change things, and work non-stop. So yeah, thank God for everything. You guys enjoy this beautiful summer, this weekend, this week, this whatever you've been doing, pray about it. It'll all work out. Stay strong and never stop, never give up, because that's what devil wants. Stay positive, you guys. Love you guys.